Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. This time I'd like to explain about subject-verb agreement after expressions of quantity. A particular agreement problem occurs when the subject is an expression of quantity, such as all, most, some, or have, followed by the preposition of. In this situation, the subject, like all, most, some, or have, can be singular or plural, depending on what follows the preposition of. Look at these sentences. Number 1. All of the book was interesting. Number 2. All of the books were interesting. Number 3. All of the information was interesting. In the first sentence, the subject all refers to the singular noun book. So the correct verb is therefore the singular verb was. In the second sentence, the subject all refers to the plural noun books. So the correct verb is the plural verb were. In the third sentence, the subject all refers to the uncountable noun information. So the correct verb is therefore the singular verb was. Ketiga kalimat ini menggunakan an expression of quantity all. Dalam tes TOEFL, sangatlah dimungkinkan untuk menemui other expressions of quantity like most, some, or have. Perlu diingat bahwa jika expressions of quantity adalah subjek, maka verb yang digunakan harus sesuai dengan objeknya. Lihat contoh berikut ini. This example shows how subject-verb agreement after expressions of quantity could be tested in the written expression section of the TOEFL test. Half of the food that we are serving to the guests are still in the refrigerator. Ini adalah bentuk soal di dalam tes TOEFL yang disebut dengan sesi written expression. Di sesi ini, peserta tes harus memilih pilihan yang tidak tepat untuk berada di dalam kalimat. Ada 4 pilihan jawaban dalam kalimat ini, yaitu A, of the, B, are, C, are, dan D, refrigerator. Pilihan A benar, karena yang dimaksud adalah bagian dari makanan. Sehingga penggunaan of the di bagian ini benar. Pilihan B juga benar, karena subjek we adalah bentuk jamak. Jadi verbnya harus bentuk jamak juga, yaitu are. Pilihan yang D sama sekali tidak salah dan tidak perlu diganti karena kata refrigerator adalah kata benda dan sesuai dengan keterangan tempat in. Yang salah di kalimat ini adalah pilihan C. Subjek di kalimat ini adalah expression of quantity have dan objeknya adalah food. Food is uncountable noun. Jadi verb yang seharusnya digunakan di kalimat ini adalah is. Now let's practice. Look at this sentence. All of the students in the class taught by Professor Roberts is required to turn in their term papers next Monday. Semua siswa di kelas yang diajar oleh Profesor Robert diminta untuk mengumpulkan makalah-makalah mereka di hari Senin yang akan datang. So, what do you think? Kira-kira pilihan jawaban yang mana yang salah? Apakah A, of the? Apakah B, taught? Apakah C, is? Atau D, papers? Yes, you're right. The incorrect use is option C. Option A has no problem. The use of the is appropriate as a connector between an expression of quantity all that functions as subject and noun students that functions as object. Option B is also correct. The verb taught that comes before by shows that it functions as passive verb form. Option D is noun. The use of it is correct, so it's not a problem in the sentence. Option C is wrong. It should be changed to are. When an expression of quantity is the subject, the verb must agree with the object. The object is students, so the verb must be are. Let's practice again. Latihan lagi. Look at the sentence. She did not know where most of the people in the room was from. Which one is wrong? Option A, no. Option B, where. Option C, in. Or option D, was. Yes, you are right. Yang salah adalah pilihan D. There are two clauses in this sentence. The connector of the two clauses is where. This connector is good, so option B is suitable for the sentence. Option A is correct, as the word did not should be followed by verb 1. Option C is correct. There is a word room in the sentence, so the use of preposition in matches with the noun room. Option D is wrong. Expression of quantity most adalah subjek di klausa kedua dan objeknya adalah people. Karena people adalah bentuk jamak atau plural, maka verbnya harus plural juga, yaitu were. Jadi kalimat ini versi benarnya adalah she did not know where most of the people in the room were from. Dia tidak tahu dari mana mayoritas orang-orang di dalam ruangan itu berasal. Okay, that's all about subject-verb agreement after expressions of quantity. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.